Hey guys, welcome to Science of Diet and welcome to my raw and unedited video. And again, in this video, I'm gonna tell you a very important diet plan that will help you to lose your weight in just 4 days. It's my advice. If you really want to lose weight so fast, then only do it. Otherwise, don't do it. So now let's see our plan. So again, as I said, it is a 4 days crash diet plan. Okay, so what you have to do basically, each of the daily menus has fewer than 1200 calories, right? So all 4 days what you want to consume has less than 1200 calories, and this diet is considered a semi starvation diet. Semi starvation diet are not sustainable and can lead to a number of health issues, as I told you before, and symptoms ranging from fatigue and weakness to emotional and physical problems. So obviously I warned you in the start, if you really can do, then only do it, otherwise don't do it, right? Okay, now let's move ahead. So basically in breakfast you have to take half grapefruit. Then in lunch you can take 4 ounces of a lean protein such as skinless chicken breast, or 3 ounces of a fattier protein such as lean ground beef. And you can take 1 cup of steamed green vegetable, 1 cup of raw high fiber vegetable, and 6 ounces of tomato juice. Okay, and after that in dinner you can take 1 cup of starchy vegetables such as squash, cooked or raw. Then you can take 1 cup of high fiber vegetables such as cauliflower, steamed or raw. You can also take 5 ounces of lean white meat protein like chicken breast, or 4 ounces of lean red meat protein such as lean steak, and 6 ounces of unsweetened juice. Okay guys, so that was till dinner. And obviously in water, a an 8 ounces glass of water is recommended 30 minutes before each meal and 30 minutes after dinner and at bedtime to increase uh, satiations and flush out fat and toxins. So guys, remember, this is a very strict diet, and obviously you're gonna feel the hunger while doing this diet for 4 days. So if you are really in hurry, then only follow this diet, otherwise don't follow this diet. So that's it in this video. And if you want to download this document, you can easily go to my descriptions. I'm giving their link. You can download this document for your future use, but please don't forget to subscribe my channel before downloading this. So that's it in this video. I meet you next video. Till then, keep on watching Science of Diet.